A culinary journey through time. The story of fried rice. Fried rice is a culinary time capsule carrying centuries of history and tradition. Born from resourcefulness in ancient China, it transformed scraps into a beloved dish. Its adaptability allowed it to transcend social classes, appearing on tables worldwide. As trade routes expanded, fried rice journeyed across continents, evolving with new cultures. From street stalls in Asia to kitchens in Latin America, it became a global culinary staple. Fried rice is a testament to the power of food to connect us all. Fried rice, a staple dish across cultures. Fried rice symbolizes community, bringing people together over shared meals. It's a go-to meal, economical and satisfying, utilizing leftovers creatively. Its adaptability allows for unique flavor combinations, reflecting cultural fusion. From Indian spices to Indonesian nasi goreng, each variation tells a story. Fried rice transcends generations, connecting us to our culinary heritage. It's the embodiment of comfort food, cherished across the globe. From takeout staple to homemade delight. Fried rice is synonymous with takeout, but homemade offers fresher ingredients. Making it at home allows control over ingredients, reducing hidden sugars and sodium. Experiment with flavors, creating a healthier, more delicious dish. The sizzle of fresh vegetables and aroma of garlic elevate the experience. Homemade fried rice is a culinary adventure, empowering and rewarding. Embrace the joy of crafting a restaurant-quality meal in your own kitchen. The rice, the foundation of flavor. Day-old rice is key for perfect fried rice, absorbing flavors without clumping. Long-grain varieties like basmati or jasmine hold their shape well. Avoid short-grain rice, which tends to be stickier. If using fresh rice, cool it on a baking sheet to dry out. Quality rice impacts the final result, so choose wisely. With the right rice, you're on your way to a memorable dish. Alright, let's now dive into step 1. Eggs, extraordinary additions, the protein powerhouse. Eggs add rich texture and protein, binding ingredients together. Use medium-high heat and oil for perfectly cooked eggs. Let them cook undisturbed for a crispy edge, enhancing flavor. Remove eggs to prevent overcooking, adding them back later. Eggs are essential for balance in flavors and textures. They're a vital element of a satisfying fried rice experience. Moving on to step 2, veggies, a rainbow of taste and texture. Vegetables add vibrancy, crunch, and freshness to fried rice. Choose veggies that complement flavors, creating harmony. Get creative with choices like broccoli, mushrooms, or bell peppers. Consistent size ensures even cooking and integration. Vegetables transform fried rice into a nutritional powerhouse. They're essential for a delicious and healthy experience. Now let's talk about the heart of the operation, the wok. A hot wok is crucial for smoky flavor and perfect texture. Add oil to prevent sticking and enhance richness. Use high smoke point oils like peanut or vegetable. Constant motion ensures even cooking and flavor absorption. The rhythmic dance of stir-fry creates that charred flavor. Enjoy the art of the stir-fry with every toss. Step 3, excellent beginnings, cooking the eggs to perfection. Whisk eggs with salt and pepper for flavor. Cook in hot wok for crispy edges and texture. Break up eggs gently, avoiding overcooking. Set aside to add back later, maintaining moisture. Eggs add richness and protein to fried rice. Cook with care for a harmonious blend of flavors. Step 4, rice revival, bringing day-old rice back to life. Now, it's time to bring our day-old rice back to life. Add the rice to the hot wok, spreading it out evenly to ensure that each grain comes into contact with the heat. This helps to remove any excess moisture and create that signature slightly chewy texture that makes fried rice so irresistible. The hot wok also infuses the rice with a subtle smoky flavor, adding another layer of complexity to the dish. Using a spatula or wooden spoon, gently break up any clumps of rice. Continue to stir-fry the rice, keeping it in constant motion until it is heated through and slightly crispy around the edges. This process helps to revive the rice, transforming it from dull and lifeless to vibrant and flavorful. The heat of the wok awakens the rice, releasing its natural sweetness and creating a perfect base for our fried rice. As the rice cooks, it will begin to absorb the flavors of the oil and any residual seasonings from the wok. This creates a subtle base flavor that enhances the overall taste of the dish. The rice will also take on a slightly golden hue, indicating that it's perfectly cooked and ready to be combined with the other ingredients. This step is crucial to the success of our fried rice. By properly heating and crisping the rice, we create a textural foundation that elevates the dish from ordinary to extraordinary. So, take your time and pay attention to the rice. It's the star of the show. Step 5. The grand finale, combining flavors and creating harmony. With the rice revived and the eggs cooked to perfection, it's time to bring all of our ingredients together. Add the cooked vegetables to the wok, along with any pre-cooked meats or proteins you're using. Stir-fry everything together for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the ingredients to heat through. This is where the magic happens, as the individual components transform into a cohesive and delicious whole. Now pour in your chosen sauce. Whether it's a simple soy sauce-based mixture or a more complex blend of spices and seasonings, the sauce is the final touch that brings everything together. Stir-fry the rice and other ingredients continuously, ensuring that they are evenly coated in the sauce. The sauce will infuse the rice with flavor, creating a symphony of tastes that will tantalize your taste buds. Finally, add the cooked eggs back to the wok. Gently fold them into the rice and other ingredients, being careful not to break them up too much. The eggs will add a creamy texture and a boost of protein, completing our fried rice masterpiece. The contrast of textures and flavors creates a delightful sensory experience, making each bite a celebration of culinary harmony. Remove the fried rice from the wok and serve immediately. Garnish with chopped green onions or other fresh herbs for a final touch of freshness and visual appeal. The aroma of the freshly cooked fried rice will fill your kitchen, enticing everyone to gather around the table and enjoy this delicious and satisfying meal. Congratulations, you've created a culinary masterpiece. Step 6. Food safety is the bedrock of delicious creations. Transform kitchens into havens of flavor and health. Hand washing is crucial for a harmonious symphony of flavors. Use a food thermometer for culinary precision. Proper storage preserves freshness and safety. Step 7. The foundation of any great dish lies in the quality of its ingredients. Think of them as the building blocks of flavor, each one contributing its unique character to the final creation. Choosing fresh, high-quality ingredients is like selecting the finest materials for a masterpiece, ensuring that the end result is both beautiful and enduring. So, let's embark on a culinary treasure hunt, seeking out the freshest and most flavorful ingredients to elevate our dishes to new heights. When selecting vegetables for your fried rice, look for vibrant colors and a firm texture. Think of them as jewels of the culinary world, sparkling with freshness and bursting with flavor. A crisp, brightly colored vegetable is a sign of vitality, indicating that it's at its peak of flavor and nutritional value. So, let's fill our baskets with these culinary gems, adding a touch of brilliance to every meal. For protein, choose cuts of meat that are lean and free of excess fat. Think of them as the anchors of our culinary creations, providing substance and depth of flavor. Lean protein not only contributes to a healthier meal, but also allows the other flavors to shine through. So, let's choose our proteins wisely, ensuring that they complement and enhance the overall harmony of our dishes. And let's not forget the humble egg, a culinary chameleon that can transform itself into a myriad of forms. Choose eggs with clean, uncracked shells, a sign of freshness and quality. Think of them as culinary blank canvases ready to absorb the flavors of our creations. Fresh eggs contribute a rich, creamy texture and a subtle, savory flavor that elevates any dish. So, let's celebrate the versatility of the egg, adding a touch of culinary magic to every meal. Maintaining a clean and organized kitchen is essential for ensuring food safety and creating a positive cooking experience. Think of your kitchen as a culinary laboratory, where cleanliness and order are paramount to successful experimentation. A clean kitchen is not only more hygienic but also more efficient, allowing us to focus on the creative process without being bogged down by clutter and mess. So, let's transform our kitchens into sanctuaries of culinary innovation, where cleanliness reigns supreme and delicious creations come to life. Regularly cleaning and sanitizing countertops, cutting boards, and utensils is like creating a protective barrier against harmful bacteria. Think of these surfaces as culinary battlegrounds, constantly exposed to a variety of ingredients and potential contaminants. By keeping them clean and sanitized, we minimize the risk of cross-contamination and ensure that our food remains safe and wholesome. So let's arm ourselves with the tools of cleanliness, waging war against bacteria and safeguarding the integrity of our culinary creations. Properly storing food is like creating a culinary library, where each ingredient has its designated place. Organizing our pantries and refrigerators not only makes it easier to find what we need, but also helps to prevent spoilage and waste. By storing food correctly, we maximize its shelf life and ensure that every meal is a celebration of fresh, flavorful ingredients. So let's transform our kitchens into culinary archives, preserving the quality and integrity of our food. Finally, don't forget about the unsung heroes of kitchen hygiene: dishcloths and sponges. These seemingly humble tools can harbor a surprising amount of bacteria, so it's important to replace them regularly or sanitize them thoroughly after each use. Think of them as culinary sponges, absorbing not only spills and messes but also potentially harmful microbes. By keeping them clean and fresh, we minimize the risk of contamination and maintain a healthy cooking environment. So, let's give these hygiene heroes the attention they deserve, ensuring that they contribute to a clean and safe kitchen. Ah, fried rice, a comfort food with a history as rich as its ingredients. Originating in the Sui dynasty, it was a culinary masterpiece from leftover rice. A dish fit for emperors, now enjoyed by families worldwide. Its influence has spread, adapting to diverse cultures. In some cultures, it's even a breakfast food. Each variation tells a unique culinary story. Fried rice brings smiles and satisfies appetites worldwide. Embark on a culinary journey around the world, discovering fried rice as a global phenomenon, adapting to each region's flavors. In Thailand, khao pad saparat features pineapple and cashews, balancing sweet and savory notes. In Indonesia, nasi goreng is fiery and flavorful, infused with vibrant spices. Japan's yakimeshi offers delicate flavors, seasoned with soy sauce and mirin. In Peru, arroz chaufa fuses Chinese and Peruvian culinary traditions. Fried rice is a global culinary tapestry woven with tradition, innovation, and cultural exchange. Step 8. Your fried rice, your way tips for customization. Fried rice is a culinary chameleon, effortlessly adapting to your taste preferences and dietary needs. Think of it as a blank canvas, ready to be transformed into a culinary masterpiece that reflects your unique personality. Whether you're a vegetarian, a meat lover, or somewhere in between, fried rice offers endless possibilities for customization. So, let your creativity run wild and create a dish that's as individual as you are. For a vegetarian twist, embrace the vibrant flavors of seasonal vegetables. Imagine the sweetness of roasted butternut squash mingling with the earthy notes of sautéed mushrooms, a symphony of flavors that celebrates the bounty of nature. Add a touch of protein with tofu or tempeh, creating a dish that's both satisfying and nutritious. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. If you prefer a meatier affair, incorporate your favorite proteins. Imagine the succulent tenderness of grilled chicken mingling with the savory depth of marinated shrimp, a culinary duet that tantalizes your taste buds. Add a touch of spice with chorizo or sausage, creating a dish that's both bold and flavorful. The choice is yours, a culinary adventure waiting to unfold. And let's not forget the endless possibilities for flavor enhancements. Experiment with different sauces, from the classic soy sauce-based mixture to the more exotic flavors of fish sauce or oyster sauce. Add a touch of sweetness with honey or brown sugar, or a hint of spice with chili flakes or sriracha. The key is to find the perfect balance of flavors that resonates with your palate. So go ahead and create your own signature fried rice, a culinary expression of your unique tastes and preferences. It's a dish that's as versatile as you are, a culinary playground where you can experiment and create without limits. Ditching the takeout dilemma. Embrace homemade fried rice for its health benefits over takeout. Takeout often hides unhealthy secrets. Cooking at home lets you prioritize well-being. Choose fresh vegetables and lean proteins. Opt for healthier oils and minimize sodium. Create a dish that nourishes your body. Ditch takeout and enjoy homemade fried rice for a healthier lifestyle. Saving money, one delicious grain at a time. Homemade fried rice offers a compelling case for ditching delivery apps and embracing culinary frugality. Gain control over your ingredients and health, transforming a costly habit into a pocket-friendly feast. Fried rice, with its adaptable nature, is perfect for culinary thriftiness. Skip takeout menus and embrace cooking at home, unlocking culinary possibilities without breaking the bank. Invest time in the kitchen for a healthier lifestyle and bank account. Family fun, creating memories around the wok. Homemade fried rice offers the chance to create lasting memories. The kitchen becomes a culinary playground where cherished recipes are shared, and the aroma fills the air with warmth. Cooking together bonds families, creating memories that last a lifetime. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. we love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.